another one at Moony's hot tip. Actually, I haven't done one before, but people ask me about them a lot, don't they? But sometimes we get asked. I'm going to share one with you anyway. As a young buck working in the four-wheel drive industry, I was in my teens, and one of the things I learnt there was the importance of winch maintenance. The problem is, winch maintenance is usually done after you've gone up the bush, you've got bogged, you've gone to use your winch and it doesn't work. And then you bring it into the four-wheel drive shop, ask them to service it, fix it, put it back on your car. Then you go, drive through mud holes and rivers, never touch it. Then next time you get bogged, you try and use it again, doesn't work. So, Moony's hot tip with winches is you've got to keep them running. It's simple, just wind them out, just like this. You've got to keep the motors turning over and you've got to keep the solenoids working. Otherwise they get sticky, water gets in them, even the best of winches out there. So get the drum going. And it's important when you're doing it to give it a bit of in and out. I generally run the winch nearly all the way out, I run it back in, or I might just do a few short ones, but just do it regularly, keep things ticking over, and next time you go to use your winch, should work.